Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best air compressors, a comprehensive guide to power and performance. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Mini 12V/220V Car Tire Inflator. This compact air compressor is a versatile solution for car tire inflation and small-scale spray painting tasks. Equipped with dual voltage capabilities, 12V and 220V, it ensures adaptability for various applications on the go. The lightweight design and user-friendly interface make it an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts and automotive maintenance. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Metabo HPT Tank Compressor. The Tank EC914S stands out with its robust 200 psi output and a 6-gallon pancake design, making it a reliable powerhouse for a wide range of pneumatic tasks. Portable and efficient, it suits both professional and home use, offering the power needed for demanding applications such as framing, finish work, number 3, and inflation. Portable 12V air compressor tank. With a 150 psi compressor and a 6L tank, this portable unit is a versatile companion for inflating motorhome tires and activating train horns. Its compact design ensures easy transportation, providing a convenient solution for emergencies, outdoor activities, and maintenance tasks where a consistent and high-pressure air source is required. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. VEVOR Silent Oil-Free Air Compressor. The VEVOR 25/60L air compressor is a silent, oil-free powerhouse with 110V/240V support. Featuring a 750W 1 HP motor, it caters to various home repair tasks and tire inflation needs. Its whisper-quiet operation ensures a pleasant working environment, making it suitable for indoor use and applications where noise reduction is crucial. Airbrush kit with professional airbrush sets. This comprehensive airbrush kit includes 3 professional airbrush sets with different nozzle sizes, 0.2/0.3 mm gravity 0.8 mm siphon feed, and a reliable compressor. Ideal for precision painting tasks, it caters to a range of artistic and DIY applications, providing all the necessary tools in one package.